Hello students, in this video we will solve or we will see the solution of exercise 1.7 of chapter number 1, that is electric charges and field. So read the statement. There are two statements they have given, and electrostatic field line is a continuous curve. That is, a field line cannot have sudden break. Why not? This is one question. And another is explain why two field lines never cross each other at any point. Theoretical questions. We'll see the explanation. Look, what is the first question? Read carefully. An electrostatic field line, okay, is a continuous curve. That is, a field line cannot have sudden break. Why not? So how the field lines are drawn? Okay, you know this. Okay, if it is a continuous, these are field lines means what? A pictorial representation of electric field. Correct or not? So in this way we have to draw. Okay, there should not be. We don't draw like this. Okay, there should not be break. Continuous lines. Okay, if uniform field, so equispaced straight parallel lines we draw. If it is not uniform, so we can draw like this, anything. Okay, suppose this is a positive charge, so and this is the negative charge, we draw the field lines like this. Okay, continuous field lines. Otherwise up to infinity we can draw. So these are the field lines. They don't have break in this. Why, they are asking? Okay, so because reason is, now shall I erase this? Reason is, read carefully. Look, electric field line or lines of force or field lines, another name is lines of force, is a curve along which a small positive charge would tend to move when free to do so in the electric field. Meaning is what? Actually, how this we draw? This we draw? Look, I will tell you. Suppose this is one charge q. Okay, it is placed. Now there is a one external field. Suppose there is a big charge q and it have produced a one electric field. Okay, so this electric field will act on this, so and it will repel, and one force will act on this. Electrostatic force will act due to this field, and this charge will move in this direction. Correct or not? So what is the movement? The path traveled by this charge, okay, path traveled by this charge is a what you can say electric field line. Okay, so we have to trace the path that will give you the field line, means direction of electric field. Okay, means what? Force will act in this direction, and direction of force is same as the direction of electric field that we have seen. If it is a positive charge, if it is a negative charge, the direction will be opposite, but along the field line, in the opposite direction of the field, but along. Okay, so if negative charge is there, it will travel like this. So we will trace the path, we will get a field line. Okay, now if there is a break, okay, so field lines are continuous, but if assume if there is a sudden break in the field line, so what we can assume from that? From that we can that will show or that will indicate that charge is not in a continuous motion. Okay, so charge is going here, and after that it will jump like this and it will go like this. Okay, so that is why there is a break in the field line, we can say. But this is not possible. Charge is not jumping. Okay, continuously it is moving. So continuous path it is tracing, and that path is your continuous, this your field line na. So that is why field lines are what you can say, field lines are continuous. So it's continuous motion. Charge is not a continuous motion if there is a break, and at that point it jumps from one point to another point. Okay, if there is a break, so it will jump like this, and here, and we have the break, but which is not possible. Charge can't jump like this. Means if it is not jumping, means it is going like this, means it is a continuous line. So this is the path of the charge, and if this is the path of the charge, the path of the charge is our own the field line now. Correct or not? So that is why these field lines are not what you can say, they are not having break. They are continuous lines. Okay, so in this way we can give the explanation for that question. Now what about the question B? Read carefully. Explain why two field lines never cross each other at any point. So What is the explanation for that? How we can explain it? Now look. Suppose suppose the tangent to a line of a force at any point gives the direction of the electric field. This is one property of the field line, correct or not? It is based on properties of field lines. Okay, so if this is a field line, and if you draw a tangent to this point, okay, to this path, this will give you the direction of electric field, correct or not? This will at that point. Okay, no problem. This we know. Now, if two field lines cross each other, suppose they don't cross, but suppose they cross like this. Okay, like this they cross. Okay, let us assume. Okay, each other at a point. Then at the point of intersection, what happens? Look, the field line will have two directions. Okay, so I will draw a tangent here. So means tangent means the direction of electric field line. So one electric field, it is having now two directions. Correct or not? As per the rule, tangent will give the direction. So at this point, there are two field lines. So from this point, I can draw two tangents. So means two directions. So how the one electric field have the two directions? Not possible. Okay. So that is why we can't, means what? If it is having only one direction, means these two field lines are not intersecting. If they are intersecting, they will have two directions, which is not possible. Okay, so in this way, we can give the explanation for that. Okay, so tangent to the field line of the force at any point gives the direction of the electric field at that point. And if two field lines cross each other at a point, then at that point, the point of intersection, there will be the two tangents which shows the two direction of electric field at that point. And at a point, there is only one direction possible. We can't say there are two directions. Means what? Electric field lines never cross each other. They don't cross each other. Okay, understood? So in this way, you can give the explanation for these two questions. Very important, conceptual questions. Okay, so based on this, you can solve. These concepts can be used in any kind of examination, NEET, JEE, board, everywhere. Okay, this was based on properties of field lines. Understood? Okay, so in the next video, we will see the solution of exercise 1.8. So if you want to get the notification for that, you have to subscribe it, you have to press on the bell icon, and you have to select all notifications, and you will get the notification for that. You send the video link to your friends. Okay, circulate it wherever possible. Okay, through WhatsApp, through any other mean, and convince the other to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much.